Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn about the Copilot in Power Automate for desktop. So please watch this video till the end so that you can understand it completely. And if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. So let's get started. So first of all, we will understand what is Copilot in Power Automate for desktop. So the Copilot generative answers capability in Power Automate for desktop provides answer to product related questions, which is in our case the product is Power Automate for desktop. In this case, what you can do is you can just type your question or select one from the predefined prompts and the Copilot finds the answer for you. You can access this feature from both the console and designer. We will learn about the console and designer of the Power Automate for desktop in the later session. To be able to use the Power Automate Copilot, there are a couple of prerequisites. First is currently the Copilot in Power Automate for desktop is only available in the environments which are located in the United States region. Okay, for some reason if you are not able to see the Copilot in your Power Automate for desktop, one of the reasons could be that your environment is not located in the United States region. So you need to make sure that the environment which you are using currently is located in the United States region to be able to use the Copilot in Power Automate for desktop. And also there is a dependency on the account type. Copilot for Power Automate desktop is only available for users with work or school account. So how do you use the Copilot from console? As soon as you launch the Power Automate for desktop on your machine, the first screen that you see is your home screen, which is also called as the console, right? And here you can see that you have an icon of Copilot and the text is also written as Copilot. So once you will click on it, then you will be able to see a window where you can type your questions and also you can choose the prompts which is predefined available for you to query the Copilot related to this product. You can also use the Copilot from the designer. So once you create a bot, you will click on new, right? Here you can see that there is an option called new flow. Once you will click on it, you will have to provide the name of the flow and then you have to click on save, and that is when you will see this designer. Here you will have this actions pane from where you will be able to drag and drop the actions to this workspace, and these are the subflows which have been created for this bot. And in this right side you see that the first one is Copilot icon, right? So once you will click on it, you will see this window, and here are a few prompts which are available for you to choose from. And once you will click on this icon, then you will get the answers from the bot, rather from the Copilot. The next is how do you disable the Copilot? If you do not want your users to be able to use the Copilot, in that case your Power Platform administrators can turn off the Copilot help assistance in the Power Automate via Bing setting in the Power Platform Admin Center. So if you will ask your administrator, Power Platform administrator, to turn off this setting, then the users will not be able to use the Copilot in Power Automate for desktop. So this is all about the Copilot in Power Automate desktop. If you like this video, please click on the like button and please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any question, please post it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.